They say love at first sight is a thing. Well, this was more like pity at first sight. Meet my 1939 DKW RT125. Well, what's left of it? Rust? Check. A missing seat? Check. A strange smell that I hope is just old oil? Also check. But why this bike? Simple. Because if I can bring this two-wheeled disaster back to life, I can do anything. Also, I got it for dirt cheap. First, the rust. This bike had more corrosion than a shipwreck. WD-40, wire brushes, and sheer stubbornness became my best friends. At one point, I wondered if I was restoring a motorcycle or excavating a fossil. But slowly, I started seeing metal. Actual metal. It was like an archaeologist discovering treasure, except instead of gold, it was a dented gas tank. The engine was frozen solid. I tried gentle persuasion. Nothing. Then I tried not so gentle persuasion. Still nothing. Finally, after 2 weeks, 3 YouTube tutorials, and 1 existential crisis, I cracked it open. Let me tell you, when that engine finally turned over for the first time, I nearly cried. Okay, I did cry, but in a very manly way. Next up, making it pretty. A fresh coat of paint, polished chrome, and a new leather seat. Suddenly, this wasn't just a bike, it was art. And then, the moment of truth. Would it roar to life? Or would I be left with a very expensive lawn ornament? It lives. It lives. I have brought a legend back from the dead. That first ride? Pure magic. The sound of the engine, the feel of the road. It wasn't just a bike anymore. It was a time machine, a story, a testament to patience and passion. Restoration isn't just about fixing metal. It's about believing that something broken can be whole again. And sometimes that something includes yourself. Now, who's up for a road trip?